What's up guys, a very good morning to you all, YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel, and if this is the first time that you're watching, a very warm welcome. So today is another Saturday where we're off to places to explore near Namma Bengaluru, and today it's gonna be a short spin, or rather a breakfast ride. It's been a while since I did a breakfast ride. So we are off headed to a very good place that I've been hearing about of late. It's called Rocky Ridge, which is across the border. It's about 70 kilometers. So we're about 10 of us who are joining the ride today. So yeah, stay tuned for some fun action that unveils in the vlog. Whoa, Rodra, visibility is very poor. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. As you can see, we've crossed the border. We are in Tamil Nadu, and the amount of fog that we saw, right, it is really surprising in the month of Feb. So we've got an insane lineup today. There are about 9 bikes, and I'll tell you all about the riders and the ride that they're on. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay notified on all the rides, the reviews, and the trails that I do. Ah, Jesus, what a lovely sight this is. Oh fuck! Shit! Ladies and gentlemen, I give you T.R.I.B.E. riding amongst the fog. Hey, bridge idyo? Allah, something like that. Ah. Absolutely not. Nope. Yeah, so really, no. The initial 3-4 seconds maja irta ittu when I used to give full throttle, but this is as good as a dual sport alla. So I have done 0 to 100 on my Z in 3.2 seconds, and off you got 3.8 seconds. So I'm not really feeling missing apart from the inline 4 sound. That is the only thing I'm missing. Yeah. Because when you ride on the highway 80 you are much more confident, because on ZLE it was hard suspension. So it's a halla dinde hump ella vanda full nidana madbekittu, and I always used to have the fear at the back of my mind. 80 li ಏನilla, ಹಳ್ಳ ದಿಂಡೆ ಏನು ಬಂದರೂ ಎಗರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Here in the peaceful side of things in life. The country roads, man, the country roads. I keep telling in most of my vlogs, life has its own pace here, and it's so calm, so soothing. Just enjoy what you have in front of you. Like our DJ, who probably is riding his multi-strada for the last time, making every kilometer count, if I have to say it in an Indian way. Okay, we have reached Rocky Ridge Cafe. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಮಗ. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂತೆ. They open at 9 and we are exactly here at 9. So ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ. So this is T.R.I.B.'s lineup for today. So we have Abhishek on his Street Triple S. That's Abhishek. Yeah. This is my 80. This is Nikhil's 390 ADV. So this is Rohan's Street Triple RS. This is Rohan. What? You going back?
Yeah, I'm headed back.
Okay, cool. See you there.
All right,
Yeah.
see you.
Bye. This is DJ's Multi. This is Shoki's RS. Probably for the last time you'll be seeing Shoki with her RS. By the way guys, this bike is up for sale. So comment or DM on Instagram for more info. DJ. This is Subant or his 80. So this is Dilip. So that's a 2020 Africa Twin. And Guru on his Africa Twin. So this is T.R.I.B.'s lineup for today. If you love riding along the countryside of roads, enjoying the flora and fauna around, there are so many places, you know, near Namma Bengaluru that you could explore. So I'll put a playlist at the end of this vlog where you can actually take some pointers and probably reach out to me on Instagram where I could guide you. So ಇದೆ. ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಓ ಮಾಯ್. Oh, it's closed. So that was the viewpoint of the dam. Unfortunately it was locked, so we weren't allowed inside. So Sumant and Dilip have gone to stock up fuel. So after that, guess what? We shall be hitting the trails. ಹೋಗಪ್ಪ. ನಿಧಾನ ನಿಧಾನ ನಿಧಾನ. Right?
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Yeah. Oh shit. ತಿಂಡಿಗಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. This is where we are. Taking a break for my my socks and boots to dry a little. During the water crossing I sort of lost balance and I had to make sure that my feet is grounded and therefore water.